What's good, everybody? Welcome to the beautiful podcast of Design Daily. This is Veer Kosre. Today we have a beautiful guest, Aishwarya Gawande. By profession, she is architecture student, but by passion, she is model. She is doing modeling from last 3 years, and she had performed at very big stages in the past few years. So, guys, today we had a very deep conversation about how to become a successful, how to be a very strong person, how to continue your passion in the graduation period, and the main thing is that how to be a good architecture student. So hit the bell icon, and if you like, then please subscribe to my channel and watch till the end of the video. And I hope you all like it. Let's enjoy.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi Veer, I'm doing just fine. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. First of all, welcome to the podcast of Design Daily. It's my pleasure that आप यहाँ पे हो मेरे पॉडकास्ट में. उसके लिए मतलब थैंक यू कि आपने इतना इम्पोर्टेंट समय दिया, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि ये पीरियड आप लोग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है और बहुत हेक्टिक होता है, बट तब भी आपने मेरे पॉडकास्ट के लिए टाइम दिया. फॉर दैट थैंक यू.
Arey, you're welcome. You're my junior, bro. And you called me up. I was really excited for this. So I'm just excited and happy to have conversation with you. I would love to have conversation with you and tell about my experiences and share everything.
Yes.
So let's get started, I guess.
यस मैम. सो ये पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरे व्यूवर्स को मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी आर्किटेक्चर में एंटर होता है तो बहुत सपने लेके एंटर होता है. किसी किसी का ना पैशन छूटता है पीछे, जैसे कि मेरा भी छूट रहा था, बट कहीं ना कहीं मैंने आपके बारे में सुना कि आप अपने आर्किटेक्चर जर्नी के साथ एज एन बीइंग एन आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट आप मॉडलिंग भी कर रहे थे. तो फिर बाद में मैंने जब आपको फॉलो किया तो पता चला कि आप अभी आप जजिंग भी करते हो. तो सोच रहा था कि भाई मैं अपना यूट्यूब करियर छोड़ रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे और कोई होता है. मेरे को पहली बात तो निगेटिविटी आ रही थी, तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि यार पॉसिबल होता है कि आप आर्किटेक्चर के साथ अपना पैशन फॉलो कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे आपको एग्जांपल मिलेगा ऐश्वर्या मैम का. सो शी विल टेल यू कि भाई कैसे करना है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. सो मैम, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट टेल मी सम थिंग अबाउट योर जर्नी. हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट ऑफ एज अ मॉडल?
Thanks for this question. And I would say I already wished to become Miss India. You know, my name was kept on Aishwarya Rai. So, you know, I was always fascinated by this thing that who is that girl whose name, because everybody used to say, you know, she's very beautiful girl in the world. She has brought crown to your country. She has won Miss World and all. So I started researching about who is Aishwarya Rai, what has she done and everything. I was very much fascinated by that thing. I was flattered. I felt that I want to do something like that for the country, that she brought a crown, represented India internationally. But somewhere during the course of education, everything went lost. You know, because you live, particularly there is a problem into these things where you actually need to include your family into it, and it's not like everyone is so much acceptable to the modeling world, and that's why I dropped that idea off. But when I entered ideas and I was in first year, and I remember we having fiesta, I guess my institute,
Yes.
our institute, Ideas Institute, definitely has this thing called fiesta, which just brings out your talent.
Oh, yes,
And
obviously.
on the first year I was, on the first year, you won't even imagine, I was not selected in the fashion event because I was a little bit less confidence in terms of presenting. But then I started doing everything else, like preparing, designing costumes and everything.
Okay.
Then in second year, I got selected into the fashion event of ours in the fashion show. So I showed them my work, and they all were like, wow. The seniors and everyone, like, you girl, you have certain kind of attitude, you should really do into it. And then in third year, I was supposed to walk reverse in the fashion event to depict that theme, which hamare fashion show mein we have different kinds of themes, you know.
Yes.
So to depict that theme, I was supposed to walk in reverse mode, and I was having my back as my front.
Okay.
So when I did that, the whole audience, the whole teachers, everybody in that at that point of time just appreciated and cheered me a lot, and they just said that, you should really try into it. And I guess that kind of confidence to walk on stage was given by my college, definitely. That
Okay.
I got that kind of hooting, and I was like, oh my god, I thought I couldn't be able to do it. But then Sonali ma'am, my friends, especially my friends Prachi and Yogita, they supported me a lot.
Okay.
And then I co-accidentally entered a pageant in 2018 in fourth year. So uh, we have very tough education into architecture.
Yes, ma'am. Obviously.
So for the first 3 years, it was very difficult for me to manage certain other things. Definitely, like for first 3 years, I was actually struggling with architecture only, because you have different thoughts in your mind when you enter architecture. Ki, architecture aisa honga, architecture vaisa honga. It would be something different.
Yes.
But you when you enter architecture, you need to realize, when you realize that you are actually concept samajna, understanding the concepts and understanding every minute detail about basic design, harmony, balance and all. I was all juggled into it. And I
Obviously.
felt, oh my god, how am I going to complete architecture? Because I don't felt I was that creative enough like
Okay.
other students who were like so much, involved into architecture. And I was interested into architecture, but I was not die-hardly doing something the output should come something more fascinating and everything. But I started learning and cooperating with all the kinds of activities which were happening into the college. So 3 साल मुझे actually खुद को architecture के base में compile करने के लिए लगा. Like 3 years, I struggled a lot with that thing, and I was only concentrating on architecture.
Architecture.
And yeah, but the Fiesta thing was something that brought out every year. I used to have that thing, and मैं पूरी जान लगा देती थी. I used to give all my heart, all my energy into that events and everything, so that my creativity stuff and everything is just, and I used to enjoy that thing. Then I got into Miss Fab 2018 with my friend Prachi Pansare, and I started a journey because I am a researcher onto, like, because I am a diehard fan of becoming Miss India. So
Okay.
I started researching on YouTube how they walk, how they answer. There are various kinds of rounds which happen, and I prepared myself through YouTube videos only, like the events which I saw Miss India ke episodes repeat karke,
Great.
trying to see what these kinds of girl do.
Means you
And
develop
then
skills. Means you develop skills.
you develop skills. Exactly. And YouTube is a very, very great platform to get to know about certain things you don't have any idea about. You just go to Google and just say how to become a model. You will find out thousands of
Thousands of
videos and
them.
hundreds of videos which will actually help you. And it actually helped me a lot. And then I entered Miss Fab, and I started with that training. Then I got grooming from the organizers itself. And at the end, after lots and lots of practice and everything, I finally won that show. So that was
Great.
my first ever show that I actually participated, and I won. So it was something kind of a confidence booster that I really didn't felt that I could win, and no, so did not my parents as well. So it was just an unplanned journey where I just kept everything at my risk, and I was like, now I have to do it. And Prachi was a very great support into that journey to follow my dreams. So I would say definitely Prachi gets a very big credit into here, because she participated with me as well to the pageant, so that I could actually
Got support.
go and run towards my dream. And she was there all the time. She was there all the time, and she supported me when I went into top 10, and she just said to me that you have to give a great answer and win. So modeling journey is not only about ramp walk and everything.
Okay.
It had question answer round, it had your introduction round, it has your body language thing, how you present yourself in front of those audience. So I learned that in that pageant. And then secondly, the pageant was, I didn't participated in any kind of like fashion events, which were like, dress events or anything. I didn't participate or started modeling with that. I am actually particularly, I went into pageants. beauty
Okay.
pageants kinds of thing. And then secondly, I entered Maharashtra Times Shravan Queen, which was a very, very big platform. And I got to actually groomed by one of the greatest mentor, Abhishek Jaiswal, who is like Vidarbha's top mentor into fashion industry. And
Okay.
he trained us really well. And even at that show, I was not confident enough that I was going to win. But I just had one thing that I have to do it, I have to do it, I have to do it. And then I entered that pageant and things fall off into places and I won that as well. I entered top 10, then top 5 and then won that. And that was my life-changing moment because Maharashtra Times is a very bigger amount of newspaper into Maharashtra. And then I got a chance to represent the Shravan Queen of Nagpur to Bombay, and that show got telecasted. And from there, I got innumerous approaches to my work, approaches to what I have to do. So my modeling journey started in this way, and when I got a lot of appreciation there as well, I started getting judging offers suddenly. Like I really didn't realize that they felt that I was that much equipped enough to judge. And I
Okay.
really feel nice because judging is a very responsible duty.
Responsibility. Yes.
And they showed that I could be able to actually do that responsibility. So I was actually flattered with the thing, and I guess I did that responsibility pretty well. So I just enjoyed it. This was like my stages. But then in final year, I dropped out with each one of opportunities, and I'm like concentrating on like fifth year graduation process.
ग्रेट,
Yep.
द ग्रेट जर्नी। मतलब आपने बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब लाइक मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि भाई इतना ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क लाइक मैनेजिंग योर स्टडीज़ विद मॉडलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा टफ रहा होगा, मैं भी समझ रहा हूँ।
Uh, and the second thing was like I'm not a good health girl, like
हाँ।
मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब होती रहती है. So because from first to third year, teachers at our college knew what kind of student I was, like.
यस।
So I got support from them, teachers as well. They when I had certain late submissions, actually ये भी कह सकते हैं कि I was a bit lucky for both the pageants because I got holidays. Like it was certain period of time जब college में इतना ज़्यादा workload नहीं था. But when you're doing pageant or any kind of thing, you have to concentrate on one thing. So when you are done with the pageant thing, you have to give your 1,000% into the work and get completed till the deadline which mentors are
Which mentors are
expecting.
expected?
But I would really say that mentors really, really supported me a lot. Like I was not having a good health as well, but they all just supported me a lot into
हमारा
that time.
काश हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हो।
Yeah, because see, mentors know if you do hard work, they know which student is trying to work hard on to getting certain things, and they know who is not that enough. See, it's actually a give and take process. You cannot blame completely to them, or you cannot blame completely to yourself.
यस।
But you just need to know कि कितना amount of portion is necessary for me to do into academics and कितना portion is necessary for me to do into my personal things. So when you are done with this, get complete attention of yours into that education wala stuff when you have that kind of time. But it is difficult, to get out of that zone completely and to focus onto this zone. I actually struggled a lot because I was totally into that modeling stuff and I just
Yeah.
felt that I need to leave this.
I can understand.
But yeah, and I was like, I don't want to continue architecture. I want to continue in this thing because I was getting good offers.
Good offers, yes.
But but it's like education is also a very prime thing. It's very prime thing. It's not like but I would say communication skills and everything is gifted by architecture to me. Giving those kinds of juries and presenting your ideas and concepts made me more verbal.
Okay.
So that's why I was able to talk, converse with people, put up my views, which is a kind of confidence quality which everyone looks for you. So I couldn't even say that, but architecture also played an important role for me to actually get into pageants. If I was not into an architecture college, if I was not a participant of fashion show, I would have
Obviously.
never ever entered into any kind of fashion pageant. So definitely architecture played an important role. And then teachers teachers and mentors said to me that you are actually doing good into academics. I was actually pretty above average into college, so they said that you're doing pretty good, so why do you want to quit it? Because I was having health problems and this. So then I started balancing everything, and you get disappointed at certain point of time, but you have to
Obviously.
get up. You have to get up, disappointed, get up, disappointed. This circle actually goes on, but only thing is that you don't need to give up.
Yeah.
Like I remember I gave up once, but that afterwards when mentors and everybody supported me, I didn't give up.
Okay.
My friends were the backbone. They were like, you can do it. And you know, when they used to moral support you so much, you get that energy from your loved ones. My sisters were great support. So for me it was, you need support. You cannot do it all alone. You can
Obviously.
plan things all alone,
Alone.
but you have certain sets of people who are there to help you out. So
Obviously.
it's okay to ask for help. I have asked for help, and I don't even regret on it, because you are having lovely people around you. So
Yes.
never ever regret to ask for help to your loved ones. I would say they are your greatest support to do things. And if they don't agree, try to convince them. Do your best to be your support.
Obviously.
Yeah.
So, in modeling, who is your inspiration? Like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was your inspiration at that time.
Yeah, for the first time, Aishwarya Rai was my inspiration. But Sushma, all the pageant queens are actually my inspiration, because
Okay.
getting out on a stage and representing yourself is a very difficult thing. I know I get numb, I get goosebumps, I get all freeze up when I'm there on the stage. But walking with that grace and becoming Miss India and then going internationally to a pageant and then winning a crown from there is a big thing.
Thing.
When you start walking on that thing and you look upon thousands of people looking at you, you have to be that confident enough to face everything.
Yes.
So I'm just impressed by those girls, because that is actually a very, very confident thing to do. So all the queens who have won, not won, are my inspiration. For
Okay.
me, Priyanka Chopra is the inspiration, because I love acting as well. I have an interest into acting as well. So Priyanka Chopra, the way she represented herself into world, she faced a lot of criticism onto her color and everything, but the way she emerged as an icon to people,
Obviously.
that is something so inspirational. That she faced all the criticism, but still she is a personality now that no one can touch.
Obviously.
So that is kind of a thing was
Yes.
impressed me a lot, that I could represent my country. By God's grace and my efforts, if I could win Miss World crown for the country, I would
Obviously.
definitely want
Yeah,
to
yeah.
invest into like whatever kinds of projects she does for the World Health Organization. And also she made India so much proud into the film fraternity as well. And I
Yes.
have lot of interest into acting, and definitely she is one of the bestest actress we have into our industry.
Yes.
Watch Barfi. You would not even know that she's actually Priyanka Chopra, who is there in Barfi doing that role. She has each and every role which she has done justice to everything. So she's just biggest inspiration
She
for
is a
me.
versatile actress. She is a
Yeah, exactly. Versatile extra. She could actually do any kind of roles. Mary Kom, Kashi Bai, Barfi's role. Every role is so different, but she just
Yes.
smashes it and just boom. Yeah, so she's like biggest inspiration for me. Yeah.
So, ma'am, the second question is that how do you manage your passion alongside your architecture stuff?
Yeah. So
Because this
see,
is very important, because and this is very difficult. I know that कि एक साथ साथ मॉडलिंग और फिर ये कैसे मतलब आप कैसे किया, लाइक थर्ड ईयर तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है. लाइक मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों के मुँह से सुना है कि थर्ड ईयर इज़ एन ब्लैक ईयर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. उसके बाद फिर आपको इंटर्नशिप भी करना होता है. बट आपने जैसे बताया कि थर्ड ईयर में आप मॉडलिंग में जैसे आए, सो आपने कैसे मतलब शीट्स एंड सबमिशंस देन फाइनल सबमिशन जो है कैसे आपने उसको मतलब मैनेज किया?
Actually, it was not third year when I entered into pageant.
Okay.
It was fourth year when I entered into
Oh,
pageant. But
fourth year.
but in third year I was trying to make myself ready for it.
Okay.
So I actually didn't follow any kind of routine at that point of time.
Okay.
I realized I just went with the flow, I guess. I told you I was focusing on to architecture till third year. Like
Okay.
I was, when you enter, it's
Yeah.
not like, everybody's journey is different. So, handling
Obviously.
things
Yes.
जो मेरे लिए different हो सकते हैं, वो जरूरी नहीं है कि you or any other person would do the same.
Obvious.
Okay, so the third year was the biggest juggle of architecture. So it was, I would say, I was not into modeling at that time,
Okay.
but I was trying to work certain things. But I would say there are other people, मैं यही suggest करूँगी कि you could do these things from first year as well. I have seen other kinds of students rather than me as well into the institution who have their side passion going side by side with architecture. And
Yes.
I'm literally impressed. I just felt that काश मैं ये चीज first year से कर पाती, so
Okay.
I would have got a lot of opportunities and exposures till fifth year. But I guess I was pretty late enough to understand that I could actually manage both the things together.
Okay.
And fourth year was actually, then I started pageantry from fourth year.
Okay.
So like I remember in third year I did Rubens, I did everything. It was like I did NASA as well. I did
Oh.
NASA, I did and I was a very active member during Fiesta. Like I would do everything. So Fiesta was like my energetic part of things. So that portion of time I used to have, when you get those holidays of Fiesta, you get certain weekends, you you then start on, when you have passion for certain things, there is always a way out, I feel. When you have
Yes.
certain passion for things, it's like if your passion is not that strong enough, you don't find out ways. You keep giving on reasons for everything. But when you have so much passion about your thing, तुम कोई ना कोई रास्ता निकाल ही लेते हो to just get into that
Get
way.
into
Even
that way.
I would say suggest it that you are in second year right now,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So just imagine I did these things in fourth year and you are doing it now in second year. So you realize the potential of the
Yes.
people when they have so much of passion for certain thing.
Yes, ma'am.
And and then you put up your way. Now you're taking my interview in second year, so now you are inspiration to other people that you can also make a YouTube channel, you could follow your journey. You are now an inspiration to people, I would say. I just started in fourth year, you started in second year, you should be
Thank you
proud
so
of
much.
yourself.
Thank you
So
so much.
you always get a way out. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yes, ma'am.
कि when you want to do certain things, you get a way out of it.
Ma'am, so
Just be passionate about this.
yes. So the
Yeah.
main question is that why did you choose an architecture as a career option?
Oh my God, that's a very long story. That's a very, very long story.
तो उसको आपको छोटा सा करके
I
बता दीजिए.
remember, yeah, means I was actually having interest into environmental, like I would say I wanted to make homes that are environmental friendly,
Okay.
and that's why I chose the architecture. So
Great.
it's a very long story why I was into environment, but then the total picture changed when I entered into architecture. But yeah, I still have those motives. I love our traditional architecture a lot. Like I get amazed by buildings when I see old buildings in Jaipur, Rajasthan, the kind of construction they have. So I was fascinated with those kinds of things, and I felt it as in profession where you learn everything. I mean, it's not like architect can do anything. I guess
Anything,
when I
anything.
entered into architecture, they make you so well prepared with everything that you can design clothes. You can know about refrigerator से लेकर के घर के हर एक सामान के बारे में you know very well.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, you are doctor of buildings, okay? You're just doctor of the buildings.
Right, right.
And I also feel that architecture gives you the exposure of becoming architect of anything. Like, if I am handling any kind of project, an architect is a person who handles everything. it gives you that leadership kind of quality. And I felt it is a very strong field to enter into, because um, 80 to 90% of waste which is generated into the environment is because of the houses we prepare, like the residents, the offices, and everything. That kind of things contribute to carbon emissions. So if that kind of places are actually made environmental friendly, then we could actually reduce the amount of hazards happening. So
Yes.
that was my main motive to enter into architecture, so as to prepare environmental friendly houses which would cause less harm to the environment. Yeah.
ग्रेट. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ वेरी स्पेशल फॉर दोज जो जस्ट अभी एंटर होने वाले हैं अभी कुछ महीने बाद आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर में, या फिर हम लोग के लिए भी हो सकता है लाइक सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में लोगों के लिए. राइट, व्हाट्स योर मैसेज टू योर यंगर सेल्फ स्टार्टिंग ऑफ इन अ कॉलेज?
Well, I would say to just do your things, you know. Many people get this kind of burden onto themselves that they have to do two things together, they have to do multiple things together to be famous and everything. Follow your gut feeling. I would always say follow your gut feeling. If you feel you want to do architecture and then do something side by side, just go for it. You know, if you want to go for it, talk to your mentors and just do it right way. I remember I was so much afraid of doing things, so that I just lost many kinds of opportunities and lost many years. I would
Yeah.
say if you feel you want to do certain thing at that point of time, just do it right away. Research a lot about it. That if you want to start something, how is that done? How can I do it well? Get equipped with certain kind of people who could help you. I am also always there to help my juniors. I'm always there. I just love helping people, because you know you also require help at certain point of time.
Obviously.
So when you help others, you make a bigger family of yourself. So I would say help each other across it. You know, friends are the biggest support in the institution. Don't bully anyone in first, like I would say don't bully anyone. You know, when people do new things, there are various kinds of students
Yes.
and friends around you who make fun of you, who doesn't have that kind of confidence onto you. I would say don't don't give a shit to them. Don't give a shit to them. I would suggest each and every person. I was lucky enough to get a batch where I was supported by everyone. But you know, even if you get a slightest of criticism from any one of your colleagues, it hurts. It hurts a lot.
It hurts the
So I
most.
would say just don't give a shit to it. Try to see. You cannot explain each and every person to love you.
Obviously.
I would say
Yes, ma'am.
just be yourself.
Yes.
If see it's there is a ratio, you know, if 80% of people are smiling at you, loving what work you do, and 20% of people are doing shit, this 20% doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
This 80% matters, who love you, who are there in your hard work. And even if there are 20% supporters and 80% of criticizers, just don't give a shit to 80% as well. Just go on
Great,
with your thing,
great.
because you know, at the end when you look backwards, you will feel regretted if you don't do those things certain at that point.
Yes.
So just don't live any kind of option for regrets. Just do it right away.
From this point of view, like I learn a lot from you, and like I get motivated from inside. Like the last question is for you, that where do you look yourself in the next 5 year or in this upcoming 5 years? What's your plan? That being an architect, or as a you will pursue career as a model?
See, I don't have fixed plans yet for like where I am just having a plan of becoming a better version of myself every day. Like I I am actually trying to find out a way wherein I could actually have a balance between my architecture and modeling.
Yes.
So you know, this corona time has been very tough to take decisions. So I am
Obviously.
onto a mode of building myself up. I'm building on to what kind of qualities I could adapt, so that I could actually be able to balance my interest, my passion with my field. So I'm really trying hard to get into it. Once my exams are over, I'm trying to get work first of all, but I have to like 1 year of preparation for Miss India. So definitely I will say that I for the next year plan I have to go for Miss India, that is,
Okay.
and work hard to it. And if I I get that crown and I get that opportunity to represent India, then definitely the picture is going to change.
Change.
So I see myself into 5 years a person better than today, better version of myself, and doing out there and helping other people. Definitely that is my like lifetime plan. So it is my lifetime plan to help people to follow my dreams. I want to pursue much thing into acting as well. So I will first try to explore the field of architecture for like first 2 years, and then in those first 2 years I will be in Miss India as well, and then afterwards enter into acting. So that
Great.
is like my plan. Yeah.
इट्स ग्रेट प्लान आई लव दैट. सो मैम, एक लास्ट एक छोटा सा मैसेज आप मेरे व्यूवर्स को या फिर सब्सक्राइबर्स बोल सकते हैं या फिर आपके जूनियर्स को आप क्या देना चाहोगे, एक मैसेज एक जो इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है आपने इतने 5 सालों में जो सीखा या फिर आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया, एक्सप्लोर किया.
Well, I would say the same. I would say the same thing which I said earlier, is to follow your passion, follow your dreams, and you know, it it is a matter of you have a very shorter time of span of life. You think about your future so much that you just end up not living into the present. And I realized the less I thought about the future and the more I lived in today, I I am a very happy person when I think about what I have right now. So I would say to just don't run to certain things and ruin your present moments. I would say enjoy this present moments and build up for your future rather than only thinking about future. Build up for your future with this small sets of present days. Definitely, yeah, that's my message
थैंक यू.
to
थैंक यू
all of
मैम.
you. And I would really thank you to get me into this conversation. I had a really lovely time,
माई प्लेजर
and I
मैम.
would really tell to all the viewers who are actually watching this, I would say that this is a very lovely channel, and I would want you all to subscribe it, thumbs up, bell icon, everything onto this channel.
थैंक्स मैम.
And
थैंक यू.
keep good going. You're doing a great work, Veer. You're
थैंक यू
doing
मैम.
a great work.
माई प्लेजर मैम. थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग हियर ऑन माई चैनल.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
my pleasure too.
So this is Veer Kosre and
Aishwarya Gavande
signing
signing
off.
off.